So I guess Menards has been putting elevators in their locations lately. That's wrong, but okay. This is interesting. Really wide door, really narrow cab. So they used to have a lift of sorts. I don't remember, I think it was a scissor lift. Oh, this is the one in Marinette, Wisconsin. This is a nice elevator. Really quick. And look at this door. This is just ridiculous, the shape of this cab. Oh darn, I guess you can't see off the top. Nothing much up here anymore. Yeah, nothing fancy up here. I think it, oh no it doesn't. That is a fast door too. Darn. This is interesting. Okay. And it closes pretty fast too. But seriously, the shape of this cab. There's me. This is just so weird. The fixtures are just innovation, universal, basic fixtures. Not even, they don't even have the numbers on them. They got the big letters on these ones. It's the newest version. That's weird. Standard innovation Acme indicator. Nothing fancy. 4,500 pound capacity. But yeah, these buttons are the newest easy press buttons. Let's watch this door open. That is fast. Dang, this is kind of cool. I can't see anything regarding the elevator brand on it, but I know if I'll find it, I'll figure it out. Wow. That's cool.